Most people do not know that you can earn money just by watching a film online. There are tons of movies online that you can watch to make some dollars. Imagine making money every time that you finish watching a movie. That's awesome, right? Well, I will teach you how you can make money online from binge watching films in this video. You can make between $100 to $300 from utilizing various apps and websites online. Thus, stay tuned until the end of this video to know all the necessary information about this amazing online money-making method. A reminder before I share this tip, do not forget to like and subscribe to our account for more fantastic financial contents. This is the online money machine, and here I will teach you amazing yet simple ways and tips on how to make money online. Again, make sure to like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and hit that notification button to know more about our future money-making contents. Being updated to the latest hacks will let you start earning more money. Lastly, let's make this an interactive learning experience by commenting and posting your questions, comments, reactions, and thoughts in the comment section of the video. Now, the first website that you're going to use is called filmtagger.com. You can access it by searching filmtagger.com on Google. Just press their website and you can already start your own money-making journey. However, I am advising you that you finish this whole video before you start making money online to know more hacks and tips on how you can maximize the amount of money that you can earn. Watching films and earning money from doing so seems like a far-fetched dream. However, it is a realistic concept as there are sites that offer you to pay you for watching films. As a brief background, Filmtagger is an online platform that offers various movie recommendations for screenwriters, students, film buffs, directors, and producers. A lot of movie watchers are actually passing up on great opportunity. This will change as I will share with you various tips and hacks to earn money online. This website will provide you with the most loved films out there. They can be arranged based on its genre, themes, locations, and etc. There's a button like this that will provide similar movies for you. Another button is made to redirect you to the most popular films. If you're a film buff who is trying to find a good movie, or if you're a student arranging his watch list, then Filmtagger is the best site for you. This will allow you to discover movies that might be unfamiliar to you. Now, I encourage you to search on the site for the movie called Money Monster. It will show you a matching result page where you can see the movie title, poster, and genre. It will be all important in a minute, so please take note of it. Now, press this button to expand the movie description. You also need to press the Expand Keywords button. It will show you all the related keyword categories that this movie falls under. These keywords will help you describe the movie. When someone is looking for a movie that involves deception, money, pregnancy, suspense, airplane, apartment, office, elevator, etc., then they will be able to find this film. These tags will help us make money through this method that I will teach you about. The next thing that you need to do is to go to the Netflix website. On this platform, you can actually sign up as a movie tagger. Basically, you just need to categorize movies and TV shows for Netflix. Of course, you will earn money for doing so. As a matter of fact, Netflix really hires people to help them in tagging and categorizing their films and movies. Your job would be to watch various films and TV shows that are available on Netflix. After watching, you just need to type keywords that people will most likely use while trying to find this movie. You can actually earn up to $300 as a movie tagger per week. You just need to watch a film or a TV show and you can get paid for doing so. Just a reminder that you need to include objective information like the casting in tagging films. Aside from that, you are also encouraged to use compelling subjective information to entice people to watch the said film. Now, you can sign up as a movie tagger on their website, which is netflix.com. To do this, just search for the word tagger on this page. Now, look at the openings available on their site. Unfortunately, they do not have openings for taggers as of this moment. Thus, just make sure to bookmark the Netflix career site so that you can come back again in the future. I recommend that you come back weekly to see if any tagger position will be open. There is a huge possibility that a lot of people are applying for this position. Thus, you really need to look out and wait religiously for a position to open for you. Aside from the Netflix website, you can also earn money from watching films on this website called the last website that will pay you for watching films is called wintub.com. On this site, you can make at least $2.48 for every 3 minutes of watching videos. Their website will provide you two main ways of earning money. The first one is through watching videos such as commercial ads, movies, and TV shows. The second way of making money on this site is through referrals. You just need to invite your friends to join this site and you will earn $1 for doing so. Aside from that, your friend will get $5 from the site, which is considered to be a win-win situation for the both of you. Once you're able to earn the minimum amount required, you can already transfer the money to your bank account, PayPal account, or GCash account. There are more than 1,500 brands that are partnering with wintub.com. Thus, there are always new videos to watch on their site. To sign up for the site, you just need to click this button. After that, you need to fill in the necessary information that they are asking for, such as your name, birthday, gender, email address, and password. Then, you need to take the CAPTCHA test. Once you are done, just press the Create Account button. Signing up will provide a $5 bonus for you. That's really amazing, as $5 can already go a long way. That's it. It is really easy to earn money in this day and age. So what are you waiting for? Start your own money-making journey now. Again, this is Online Money Machine, and do not forget to hit like and subscribe to my YouTube channel to know more about how to make money online.